Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you all for today's presentation on automated classroom attendance using facial recognition technique. My name is Pawan B. Patel and my teammates are Suhas S, Tejas Krishna Ji, Amruta MS. And we are presenting this under the guidance of Professor Shobhama. Coming to introduction, we all know the usage of manual attendance system has always been burdensome and time consuming. Even other technologies like fingerprint scanner and RFID cards are not much effective as when there are large number of students in the class, it consumes a lot of time as they have to stand in a queue to register the attendance. That is why we chose face recognition technique as it is the fastest biometric technology using image processing and deep learning. Our objective for this project are to develop a scheme to detect the face in a given image, then design a model to extract features from the detected face, identifies the detected face and update it on the database for attendance, and at last send an email notification to parents by letting them know the status of their child.
Use case diagram. In our use case diagram, we have an admin and an user. The camera auto captures image of the user, whereas the admin's job is to enroll the student's details in the database. Then detects the faces by using the captured images. Admin extracts the features of the captured image and classifies by checking with the database. By making use of the facial recognition algorithm, it determines the images of the user. Later, it stores the attendance status in the Excel file. Coming to the sequence diagram, there is two phases in the sequence diagram, admin phase and an user phase. In admin phase, admin enrolls the student information and stores it in the database. The user phase collects the raw data, preprocesses and detects the face using DNN, and later feature extraction is done. After the extraction, process classification is done for the given image for the face to check if it is the same image that is stored in the database, and later it updates to the status module.
Now let us look into the implementation of our model. At first, the user or a student comes in front of the camera. In this step, the camera is placed at such a distance such that it is able to capture at least 3 students in the frame for now. Then the student detects the face of the student using OpenCV and face recognition library. After the face is detected, the face encoding of the detected faces are found. 123 dimension embedding for each face is done. These face encodings are used to recognize the face. System. The system recognizes the face by comparing the face encoding with the uploaded image. After the face is recognized correctly, attendance of the student is recorded in the attendance.csv file along with the name of the student, date, and time of the attendance being recorded.
Now let us see the major components of a model. First is to find the face encoding of each face. For find a face encoding, we define a function named as face encoding, which takes the image as the parameter. Next, we declare an empty list named as a encode list. Then we convert the image into BGR to RGB. This is done to change the standard OpenCV color format, which is BGR, to RGB, which is a default format. Then we return the 128 dimension face encoding for each face. Then we append the encoding to the encoder underscore list, which we had declared before this function, which returns the encode list at the end of the execution, which is later used for comparison. Now coming to the attendance part, to mark the attendance of the students who are present, we are defining a function named as attendance. First, we open the attendance.csv file in read and write mode, and then we read the attendance.csv file for the previously entered values. We declare an empty list as the name list, and all entries in the attendance.csv file are separated by commas. and then we append the entries to the name list. We check for the student, we check for the name in the name list. If the name is not present in the list after being recognized, then the name of the student, current time in hour, minute, second format, and also date in day, month, year format is updated in the attendance.csv file.
Coming to the testing strategy, we perform several test cases on certain scenarios. The very first scenario is where we check the camera is turned on after the encoding process is completed. Further, we also see that if images are getting located or not from the file directory. Moving to the next scenario, we see if the faces detected or captured is encoded. That is, it should generate a face encoding after capturing. Now, coming to the fourth scenario, where we perform several tests and check if the face is getting recognized or not. And the final scenario is where we check whether the face recognized is registered in CSV file with correct name, date, and time. As we can see in the screen, we could successfully pass all the test cases. Talking about the impact of our project, it is easy to use as we can take attendance in a single click. This saves time and effort of the teachers and lecturers by eliminating the traditional method of marking attendance. It is cost-effective solution and help the education institutions because most of them already have pre-installed cameras which they can use for marking attendance.
Coming to the work progress, we started with enrollment, that enrolling the students' information in the database, followed by detecting the face and extracting the features. Later on, recognizing the faces with the images stored in the database and storing all the attendance in the Excel file. We are yet to complete the email notification.
Coming to the final product, model, we will be able to real-time recognition of the student face, mark their attendance, and send an email notification. Thank you.
Yeah, you can show the demonstration of your project. Tejas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll do it. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Yes.
ಮಾಡ್ರು.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
It is a single face recognition. This is a very simple implementation, Python implementation. Can you show if it can identify multiple faces?
I can try it.
Have you tried it?
Yes, ma'am. We read it through mobile phone.
How many faces are is it
Ma'am, we could
identifying?
do for 3 accurately.
But it is not suitable for a classroom environment then. At least minimum 20 you said you will be trying it out for a classroom strength of 20.
Yes, ma'am. If the pixels reduce, ma'am, it was difficult to recognize the face, ma'am. This algorithm was able to recognize pixels above 80, ma'am.
No, we never insisted you to go with the particular algorithm. So you should change. You should adopt your algorithm such that it meets your objective. Just you cannot fix to an algorithm to change your objectives, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then what have you planned it to just to show this? You spend the entire year.
No, ma'am. We tried with cafe model, ma'am. We could be able to detect multiple faces, but recognizing was a difficult task, ma'am. In that.
No, you come up with some approach wherein it meets your objective. In the very title of the project meet agalla. So ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಫೇಸ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. So I never insisted you to go with some particular algorithm, right? So you have the liberty to go with any algorithm which meets your objective.
Yes, ma'am.
Think over. This is not sufficient. You're at the final last stage of your project. You come up with such problems, Andra.
No, ma'am. Cafe. We are trying on that cafe model, ma'am. If it works, we can show that only, ma'am.
No, but by this time you should have completed, alva? No, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
experimenting. It is going
Ma'am,
to
it
be
was
difficult.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. It was difficult for us to understand the way how it works, ma'am. So it took us time.
No, when are you planning to finish then? That is the case.
Ma'am, a few more days, ma'am. We'll get it done.
Few more days only. Last working day, you are aware, alva? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Your exam dates are out and you are not yet to complete your project.
Ma'am, we have our final demonstration on 14th, ma'am, of this month.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು 6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಕಣೋ.
Yes, ma'am.
Few more days ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 ದಿವಸನಾ 2 ದಿವಸನಾ? Few, anything more than 2 is few.
Ma'am, about 4 days, ma'am. We'll get it done in this weekend, ma'am.
ನೀವೇನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಅಂತ ಗೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊತಿರೋದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Sorry, ma'am.
That is it from my side. Not happy with the progress. And 2-3 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು.
Yes, ma'am. We'll get it done.
Your current status is not at all acceptable, at least from you guys.
No, ma'am. We'll get it done, ma'am.
Deepti ma'am, Kavya ma'am.
ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಏನ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ರೈಟ್.
Yes, ma'am.
About 20 students it can capture and identify.
Yes,
That's what you have to complete it at this point of time. Would have.
We'll try to get it completed, ma'am.
Okay. So at a time one day face detect ಮಾಡೋದು as of now?
Ma'am, as for now, we can detect 3 faces at the same time, ma'am.
Yeah, just Pawan can try. I think ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ you can call and just we will observe.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Ma'am, we'll get it done.
Okay, fine. So ma'am ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You complete it at that earliest. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
According to the demo, you are recognizing one face, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so where is the actual output? Where is your attendance getting populated?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show.
I think you have created 2 lists, no? Seven names you have put here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how
So
are you
yes,
linking
we
both?
have a CSV file over here. So it will register the name, time, and date
Okay.
over here.
Okay, in layman's words, can you tell how you're linking between the 2 different lists that you have created? One is a JPEG list and the other one is the name list, I think. Simply in overall this thing you just tell.
Which part, ma'am?
Which part, ma'am?
You have the name list, no?
This one, ma'am. Images, ma'am. We are actually just importing the
Yeah.
images into the list, ma'am.
Okay.
So we are actually naming the images with the name of the person.
Okay.
And we're extracting the name part from the image.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's from the image's name, is it, that you're extracting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So basically, we have named the person with its name. So once the encoding is completed, if the encoding matches with the face detected, then we return the name of the file.
Okay. Okay, fine then. Okay. You just make sure that it is actually implemented for attendance purpose.
Yes, ma'am. We'll
Okay,
get
you
it
try
done.
to do that. Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, any other questions?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್. ಏನಿದ್ರು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನೀವು. ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಯು ಆರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್.
Somewhere I feel that the clarity of the camera is not affecting the performance of the code, ma'am. So we'll try it out with some different camera, ma'am.
ಏನಾರ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್.
Yes, ma'am.
6 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ದು 3-4 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೇನ್ರೋ?
No, ma'am, it's like we were
working on
trying
it,
it
ma'am,
out.
but it was not coming out as we expected it, ma'am.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವರ್ಕ್
We'll
ಮಾಡಿ.
surely work on it, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಅಮೃತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವರ್ಕ್
Ma'am, every time we were starting a meeting, we would discuss and do it over there, and we would continue, ma'am. Everyone would be there
ಆಯ್ತು.
together.
ಇವತ್ತು ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ
Yes, ma'am.
ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
Ma'am, Sunday morning, ma'am.
ಯಾವತ್ತು?
Sunday morning.
ಸಂಡೇನಾ? ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಇರೋದು ಸಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll inform you, ma'am.
So I think we will conclude. Kavya ma'am, Deepti ma'am, thank you for your inputs. Conclude the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.